In addition to Fusion, I'd like to show you the catalog, and this is going to focus more on books and videos and other resources in addition to the journal articles that the Fusion was finding for us. I'm just going to use the simple search for this one. There is an advanced search option. I kind of showed you that with the Fusion. It works very similar. I'm just going to look up the science of reading and see if I can find some good books and monographs on that. Science of reading. There we go. And lots of good choices, but again, we are online students, so you do see some media and DVDs here. I'm going to want some ebooks, and I'm going to limit that just to the last 2 years here. Get both of them. There we go. Got to be quick. And now I get a good list of about 200 books that I could use for my project on the science of reading and assessment. If I need or want one of these, so I'm looking in this one right here, I'll click on the entry. It is available right here. You're going to have to sign in with Okta, but you will have access to that full text for you to use, and there's a lot of other full text items that I could use here. So this is a great way to find larger texts, and I know that if there is a book about the science of reading in its entirety, more than likely there is going to be a section in that book as I go to the index or the table of contents about assessments in the science of reading. And there's another one, the language experience in the science of literacy instruction. Checking that one out. It's again very recent because we put that date limitation on there. This is about ability testing and language experience approach. I might want to access this one and see in what ways could I use this to inform about my project on the science of reading and assessments. There's one last thing that I'd like to show you. That is going to be our databases from A to Z. Again, this was the catalog, and it's a way to find books and other resources other than those journal articles from the Fusion.